Welcome back to the video lecture series of Digital Fundamentals. Today we will discuss subtraction using r minus 1's complement. So let's start with the procedure how we can perform subtraction using r minus 1's complement. So here we have a subtraction using r minus 1's complement procedure. We have two numbers a and b, and here we want to perform subtraction, that is a minus b. So how we can perform subtraction using complement? So we know that a minus b is equivalent to a plus minus of b. Okay, a plus minus of b. And here minus of b, that means complements. Okay, so using this complements we can perform subtraction by just performing additions. Okay, subtraction is converted into addition by use of this complements. Okay, so here using this complements we can perform subtractions. So to perform subtraction using r minus 1's complement of two numbers, that is a minus b, step number 1, make number of digits same in both the numbers. Okay, make number of digits same in both the number a and b. Then step number 2, calculate r minus 1's complement of number b. Okay, calculate r minus 1's complement of number b. That means here we calculate r minus 1's complement of second number. Okay, here we want to perform subtraction using r minus 1's complement. That's why here in step 2 we calculate r minus 1's complement of b number, and we know that using complements we can convert subtraction into addition. So step number 3, add this first number a with r minus 1's complement of b. Okay, so step number 3, perform addition of a plus r minus 1's complement of b. Now here we have a summation result. So step number 4, observe this summation result. Okay, step number 4, observe that summation result. Now as we observe that summation result, we have two cases, that either this first number is greater than or equal to second number, or first number is less than second number. Okay, that means we can say that either a greater than or equal to b or a less than b. So in that both the case we have a different answer. So how we can get correct answer? So whenever we have a greater than or equal to b, we have a AND carry. Okay, whenever we have a greater than or equal to b, we have a AND carry. So how we can find out correct answer? Discard that AND carry and remaining bits and add again AND carry. So here we have our correct answer bit. Okay, discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bits. Okay, discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bit for correct answer. Whenever we have a AND carry, that means we have a case when we have a greater than or equal to b. That means we have a positive answer. Okay, so how we can get our positive answer? So discard AND carry and add again into remaining bits for correct answer. And if we have a less than b, then we have a no AND carry. So how we can find out correct answer? So calculate r minus 1's complement and then put negative sign in front. Okay, calculate r minus 1's complement of summation bit. Okay, calculate r minus 1's complement of summation bit and then put negative sign in front for a correct answer of a minus b. So this is how we can perform subtraction using r minus 1's complement. Now let's discuss this all with the example. So here we have a first example, that subtraction using 9's complement. Okay, here we have to perform subtraction using 9's complement of this two number, that is perform subtraction using 9's complement this 3570 minus 2100. Okay, perform this 3570 minus 2100 using 9's complement. So how we can perform that? So step number 1, make number of digits same. Okay, so here we have a number 3570 minus 2100. Okay, then step number 2, calculate 9's complement. Okay, as here we want to perform subtractions using 9's complement, so we have to calculate 9's complement of second number, that is 9's complement of 2100. Okay, 9's complement of 2100. So how we can calculate this 9's complement? By just subtracting all the digits from 9. Okay, so 9 minus 2 we have a 7, 9 minus 1 we have a 8, 9 minus 0 we have a 9, 9 minus 0 we have a 9. So here we have a 7, 8, 9, 9, that is 9's complement of 2100. Now this 9's complement of this 2100 is added into this first number, that is 3570. So here we have a step number 3, perform addition. Okay, so here we have this addition 3570 plus 7899. Okay, 7899. So as we perform addition, here we have a 11469. Here we perform addition of 4 digits, and here we have a 5-digit answer. That means here we have a AND carry. Okay, this is our AND carry. So how we can get correct answer whenever we have a AND carry? So here discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bits. Okay, discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bit for correct answer. So here we discard AND carry. So here we have a 1469, and this AND carry is added into the remaining bit. So we have a remaining bit 1469 and AND carry is added. So here we have our answer, that is 1470. Okay, 1470. So this is how we can perform this subtraction using 9's complement whenever we have a first number is greater than or equal to second number. Okay, now we have another case that in which we have a first number is less than second number. So how we can get our subtraction answer? So let's discuss with example. So here we have an example that using 9's complement perform the subtraction of this two number, that is 753 minus 864. Okay, 753 minus 864. So how we can do that? So same procedure. First make number of digits same. So here we have a 753 minus 864. Then calculate 9's complement of second number, that is 9's complement of 864, that is 135. How we calculate this 9's complement? By subtracting all the digits from the 9. Okay, so 9 minus 8, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 4. So here we have a 135. Now step number 3, add this 9's complement with first number. So here we have this addition of this 753 plus this 135. So here we have a bits, that is 888. Here we perform addition of 3 bits and here we get answer in a 3 bits. So here we have a no AND carry. So how we can get correct answer? So whenever we have a no AND carry occurred, so first calculate 9's complement of summation bit and then put negative sign in front for correct answer. So here we have this 888. So first calculate 9's complement of 888, that is 111, and then put negative sign in front for correct answer. So here we have answer minus 111. So this is how we can perform subtraction using 9's complement in the case whenever we have a first number is less than second number. Okay, so this is how we can perform subtraction using 9's complement. Now let's discuss about binary numbers. So for binary numbers we have to perform subtraction using 1's complement. Okay, so here let's discuss this with example. Subtraction using 1's complement. So perform subtraction using 1's complement of these two binary numbers. So how we can perform this subtraction using 1's complement? So how we can perform this subtraction? Similar procedure. first make number of digits same. So okay, here we make number of digits same. Then calculate this ones complement of this second number. Okay, calculate ones complement of this second number, that is 0 1 1 0 1. So how we can calculate this ones complement of this number? By just replacing zeros and 1. Okay, by just replacing zeros and 1 we can calculate ones complement. So here we have a this 1 0 1 1. Okay, so here we have a 1 0 1 1. So this is how we can calculate ones complement by just replacing zeros and 1. Then step number 3, this add this first number and ones complement of second number. Okay, add our first number with ones complement of second number. So here we perform binary addition. Okay, here we perform binary addition. Now after addition, if we observe the summation bit, so here we have a AND carry. Okay, so here AND carry occurred. Okay, here we have a AND carry occurred. So how we can get our correct answer bits? So whenever we have a AND carry, so just discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bits. Okay, discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bit for correct answer. So here we discard this AND carry and add into the remaining bit for correct answer. Okay, discard that AND carry and add into the remaining bit. So here we get our correct answer of our subtraction. Okay, so this is how we can perform subtraction using ones complement whenever we have a case when first number is greater than or equal to b. Now we have another case when we have a less than b. So how we can perform that subtraction? So let's discuss with another example. So here we have that example that perform the subtraction of this number with ones complement. Okay, perform subtraction using ones complement. So how we can perform that subtractions? So similar procedure, first make number of digits same, then step 2 calculate ones complement. Okay, so here we calculate ones complement. How we can calculate ones complement? By just replacing ones and zeros. Okay, replace 1 with 0 and zeros with 1. So here we have a ones complement and then add ones complement of the second number with first number. Okay, so here we perform this additions. Okay, here we perform addition that first number and the ones complement of second number. So here we perform binary addition. Okay, and here we observe that here we have a no AND carry. Okay, here we have a no AND carry. So how we can get our correct answer? So whenever we have a no AND carry occurred, so we have to find out ones complement of the summation result and put negative sign in front for correct answer. Okay, so here we calculate this ones complement of our this bits of summation. Okay, here we calculate ones complement of the summation bits by just replacing zeros and ones and then put negative sign in front for correct answer. So this is how we can perform subtraction using ones complement for the number whenever we have a first number is less than second number. Okay, so this is how we can perform subtraction using either nines complement or using ones complement. Thank you.